What's up, guys? Welcome back to Freak Out Fishing. Shot this intro at the pond for this video, but for some reason the file did not come through on the computer. So we're talking about it right now. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Videos up every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Without further ado, enjoy the show. Hi guys, welcome back. Oh man, see that hook? Oh, you can't really see it. It's bent out. See it? We should probably try to bend it back, but I don't really care that much. I just want to keep fishing. Because like I said, we only have like an hour to fish. So we want to keep it going. We want to keep it rolling. Oh, that was a bite. Damn. There we go. There's another one. There's another fish. I mean, it's the dink show tonight, but hey, man, you're catching fish, right? There we go. I'll take dinks all night long rather than not catching any fish at all. You need to look for that Big Bertha. Where's Big Bertha at? Oh, damn, that was a big bite. God, I want to get over there by those cattails. That would be ideal. I think this is the first time we've ever fished together I'm actually beating you in numbers. Kicking my ass. 4. Thanks. Hey, thanks, buddy. Nah, it's perfect, actually. Should be good. Just let me know. There's one. Yeah. Oh, he fell off. It's that hook, man. That hook's bent out. Got one. Got one. That's a little bit of a better one. Yeah, that's the biggest one of the night so far. Calm your ass down. Whoa. Lipless crankbait does it again. Small bass, but hey, we're catching fish, you know? That's what it's all about, guys. Get out there and go fishing, all right? Pow! Check your line. Line feels good. Let's keep it going. What a perfect night to fish, dude. Same one? Oh, got one. Got one. Got him. Damn, he's a fighter too. Come here. That little bass was fighting like crazy. Hey, it's the dink show. It's the dink show, y'all. Another little dink, but you know what? We're tearing them up. Dude, there's got to be a 4-pounder lurking here somewhere. There's got to be a 4-pounder. Should have brought my boots. This looks very dangerous for a lipless crankbait. We're going to try it anyways. Whoa! That was a big bite. Dude, I have like the wrong setup right now. You need to come over here. Come over here, dude. No, I'll switch spots with you. No, dude, I have the wrong setup. Yeah, keep walking then, Frank. I'll catch the 5-pounder. And it's not a show. It's a professional YouTube channel. Oh, there's one. That's a bigger one. Oh no. Oh, come here. Right in the top of the schnoz. That's a little bit of a bigger one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry, my bait just got snagged. There's got to be a 4-pounder in here, at least a 3-pounder. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a bigger one. Oh, God. Can't get him over the log. Get over the log. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. Shit. Oh, dude, he's hung up. Damn. I'm going in. I'm going in, y'all. Oh, no! Well, since I'm knee deep in water, I guess I might as well just keep fishing this way. Damn, that was like at least, that was pushing 2. Yeah. Dadgum. Damn. Oh, that was a bite. Dadgum. He fell off. Ugh. Oh, it's cold. And it stinks like the high heaven. God almighty. That was a big bite. Oh no. Oh no. God, it stinks over here. Come on now. Come on now. Oh man, no, I don't want to lose that bait. Dadgum. Man alive. That is not cool. Oh, alright guys, we have to go figure something out. Come on. Alright, so as you can see, I'm wet from the knee down trying to get that close to 2-pounder off and over the log, which didn't work. But I'm in a spot where where the treble hooks are not going to work. Well, here we go. How about the paddle tail? Let's try that. There we go. Weighted paddle tail from, I think it's a rage crawl. So let's see if we can get something off that. Let's do this. Pow. I'm fairly upset I lost that lipless, dude. That was my favorite one. Ooh, that was a bite. Got him. Got him. Ooh, all right. Little dink again. Choked that thing. Look at that thing. Choked it. Another little dink. All I'm doing is like slowly retrieving. Slowly. Let that paddle tail do all the work. Oh, there was a bite. He wants it. He wants it. Let's see if he'll take it. Got him. Got him. Another little one. This pond is full of dinks, but man, is it fun. Beep, beep. Got him. Got another. Oh, he's swimming right towards me. Another little dink. That one's a little better. That one's a little, that's probably one of the biggest ones tonight. Nice little fish. And healthy little fish too. This rage tail, or rage crawl, or whatever the crap it's called. How many fish have I caught in this thing and it's still holding up true? Pow, right there. Oh yeah.
Oh, he's on there, dude.
Got him?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah! A little bit. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, you got him, buddy. So what an awesome time fishing. Haven't had a night like that in quite some time. Caught a lot of fish, especially on that lipless crankbait, which I lost, but that's okay. We'll get another one, and that's fishing. You're gonna lose lures all the time, and it is what it is. So if you guys like the video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. If you like to see me take the kayak out there on that pond and look for that 3, 4, 5 pound bass, be sure to drop a comment in the comments down below. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. We will see you guys on the next one. Deuce.